I get the question, why do kids need to get adjusted? We look at a child not so much if they have pain, because they typically won't have pain unless it's really severe trauma, but we take a look at their posture. That are they standing up straight, or are they the typical teenager where their head's forward, and because they're used to being on their phone so often, or they're on the computer, they're sitting at their desk, and we have all these things that are just choking the life out of these poor kids' nervous systems. No wonder they have problem concentrating and focusing during school. So as we get the spine back into a healthy alignment, get the pressure off the nerves, that suddenly these kids start doing better in school. They're able to focus and concentrate better. They start doing better in sports as we start getting their spine back in line with their divine design. So my goal is to get each child back into a healthy position, healthy function, healthy motion, so that they can experience the full life that God intended them as they grow and develop and experience all the wonderful things that God teaches us as we're learning through life. So it is vitally important to get our children checked so they can live the life God intended for them.